Hello classmates! Today we will learn about soil improvement and disinfection together. Did anyone ask why soil improvement is necessary before the course started? What are the measures for soil improvement? Further explore why soil disinfection is necessary and how to carry out soil disinfection. With these questions in mind, let's start the learning of this lesson together. The so-called soil improvement refers to use soil science, biology, and ecology to eliminate or prevent adverse factors that affect crop growth and cause soil degradation, multiple disciplines, improve soil properties, enhance soil fertility, and create favorable soil environmental conditions for crops. A collective term for a series of technical measures. After long-term cultivation of a certain flower, the soil may experience some degradation, and the physical and chemical properties of the soil may no longer be suitable for the cultivation of a certain plant, no longer providing good water, fertilizer, gas, and heat conditions for the plant. That is to say, when the soil conditions in the cultivation area are not suitable for flower cultivation, we need to improve the soil. We generally use the following methods for soil improvement. 1. Imported soil imported from other places. In order to increase soil aeration and permeability, facilitate root respiration and growth, avoid waterlogging, and reduce root rot, we apply large particles of materials, such as gravel, ceramic particles, perlite, etc. In order to improve the soil's fertility and water retention, and prevent fertilizer and water loss, we can apply furnace ash, vermiculite, etc. If the soil is too poor, we can apply some organic matrix such as garden soil, humus soil, peat, etc. Attention should be paid to the materials used in the Hika method, and it is best to use locally sourced materials with good quality and affordable prices to save costs. 2. Acidified soil. When the soil salt content is too high and alkaline soil appears, or when cultivating acid-loving flowers, such as azaleas and gardenia, you can use alum fertilizer water or ferrous sulfate solution to irrigate the soil, or add an appropriate amount of humus soil. When preparing potting soil, which can also make the soil acidic. 3. Supplement organic fertilizer. Mix the decomposed fertilizer thoroughly with the soil. Sprinkle it on the surface of the soil that needs to be improved, and then deeply plow it into the soil. If it is a potted plant, it can be directly laid on the bottom of the pot. This can continuously provide nutrients for plants, and also contribute to the formation of soil aggregates. Soil improvement work needs to develop practical and feasible plans, according to local natural and economic conditions, and gradually implement them to effectively improve soil production characteristics and environmental conditions. It's not blindly carrying out soil improvement. Before cultivating flowers in the improved soil, avoid fungi, bacteria, nematodes, weeds, soil-borne viruses, underground pests, and rodents cause damage to flowers, and disinfect the soil. So, what is soil disinfection? Soil disinfection usually refers to the application of chemical pesticides to the soil to kill bacteria, nematodes, and other harmful organisms. Before planting flowers, dry heat or steam can also be used for soil disinfection. There are usually several methods for soil disinfection. 1. Chemical disinfection. Sterilize with highly active oxidants or alkylating agents, such as ethylene oxide, propylene oxide, formaldehyde, and active chlorine. After disinfection, the drugs should be fully dispersed to remove residual toxins. 2. Pharmaceutical disinfection. The purpose of applying pesticides to the soil before and after sowing is to prevent the spread of seed-borne and soil-borne diseases. The main methods of pesticide application are as follows. 1. Spray or irrigation method. Dilute the agent to a certain concentration with clear water and use a spray. 3. Exposure disinfection. Spread the soil evenly on cement or other hard surfaces in summer and expose it to the sun until it dries completely. Under direct sunlight in summer, the temperature on hard surfaces can reach over 30 degrees, with a maximum of 75 degrees. Nymphs and adults of some pathogenic bacteria and soil pests, as well as juveniles of other animals. Weed seeds that have already sprouted or about to sprout can also be killed. In addition, it can also cause slugs, snails, and others to burst, and drive worms, wax, mice, and horsetails to death. If 50% dodgeline wettable powder or 65% Dyson zinc wettable powder can be sprayed once during air drying at a dilution of 500 to 600 times and 50% phonics emulsion or 40% oxylobose emulsion at a dilution of 1000 times can be added. It is better to mix and control the insecticide and sterilize as needed. Exposure disinfection and sterilization are suitable for all soil of potted flowers. That's all for the introduction of soil improvement and soil disinfection. We hope that through the course, students can apply what they have learned and find suitable methods to provide fertile soil for flower cultivation.